Okay, I'm going to go through the problem as it's written. It's really tough to, you know, write it down, even on a whiteboard or a blackboard. It's so much better than when it's typed up, all right? So I want to point out what I did over here. I looked at this and saw it as a difference of perfect cubes. Let me write that down for you. So I see it as x m over 2n cubed minus 1 cubed. And then I just simply factored it. And what would you get? You would get this over here. And that would be this, and then this over here. And then I look at the other one, and the same thing. I said, gee, it looks like the sum of perfect cubes. So I just wrote that down, all right? And the bottoms, I just leave them alone, all right? Then comes a problem is, how are you going to deal with that? There's two terms, and they don't have a common denominator, so I just multiply their denominators together, but now I got to build. So I need to multiply the first term by this, and I would get this, and I need to multiply the second term by this, and I would get this over here. So I'm seeing where they're coming from. All right, then the question is, well, what do you got over here? Well, on the bottom, it's a simple pattern. Let me erase this business over here. And I'll tell you what I'm focusing in on now. This guy right over here. And that's going to be their conjugates. So what are you going to get? You're going to get x to the m over n minus 1. That's pretty simple. All right? All right, the top, I got to be honest with you, it looks sort of nightmarish. All right? It looks sort of nightmarish. And this is where I would say to myself is, I'm happy you got there. But here's the problem. They're expecting you to simplify it. All right? Now, granted, I'm going to ask you as an exercise that you're going to look at this and you're going to multiply it out in any way you want necessary and show it's this thing right over here. Something really simple, all right? And that's the end of the story, all right? And again, it goes on to say over here the expansion factoring can be simplified, making a substitution m over 2n is equal to 1. You can do that if you want, all right? Not going to really change the problem much, all right? Thank you.